When it comes to increasing your home's value, few upgrades offer as many benefits as professional door installation. For Dallas homeowners, where curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security are top priorities, a professionally installed door can make a lasting impression while adding tangible value to your property. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enhance its appeal, investing in a new door with expert installation is a smart choice. Here's how professional door installation can boost your home's value in Dallas. Enhances curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice about your home. A new, professionally installed door can instantly elevate the appearance of your property and create a welcoming first impression. For Dallas homes, where architectural styles range from modern to traditional, choosing a door that complements your home's design can dramatically enhance its curb appeal. Modern designs. Sleek, minimalist doors with glass panels are perfect for contemporary homes. Classic looks. Solid wood or fiberglass doors with decorative details can add charm to traditional or ranch-style homes. Bold colors. A vibrant front door can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. By boosting curb appeal, a professionally installed door increases your home's desirability and perceived value. Increases energy efficiency. In Dallas, where summers are hot and winters can be chilly, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Old or poorly installed doors can allow drafts and air leaks, driving up your energy bills. A professionally installed, energy-efficient door ensures a tight seal and proper insulation, making your home more comfortable and cost-effective to heat and cool. Energy-efficient doors come with features like insulated cores, reduce heat transfer and keep indoor temperatures consistent. Low E glass panels, block harmful UV rays and minimize heat gain. Weather stripping, prevents drafts and air leaks. Energy savings not only reduce utility bills but also appeal to eco-conscious buyers, making your home more marketable. Improves security. Home security is a significant concern for Dallas residents, and a sturdy, professionally installed door is a key component of a secure home. Upgraded doors and locks provide peace of mind for you and future buyers. Professional installation ensures reinforced frames. Secure frames make it harder for intruders to force entry. Advanced locking systems. Deadbolts, smart locks, and multi-point locking systems are installed for maximum security. Impact resistance. High-quality materials like steel or fiberglass are properly fitted to withstand force. A secure door is a selling point for potential buyers, enhancing the overall value of your home. Reduces maintenance costs. Older doors made of wood or outdated materials often require frequent maintenance to address issues like peeling paint, warping, or rot. Professional door installation with modern materials like fiberglass or steel reduces maintenance needs, providing long-lasting durability in Dallas's variable climate. Benefits of modern materials include weather resistance. Withstands Dallas's heat, humidity, and storms without warping or cracking. Low maintenance. Fiberglass and steel doors retain their appearance with minimal upkeep. Longevity. Professionally installed doors last longer, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Buyers appreciate homes with low maintenance features, making your property more appealing. Enhances functionality and convenience. A properly installed door doesn't just look good, it functions perfectly. Professional installation ensures smooth operation, eliminating issues like sticking, squeaking, or misaligned locks. Modern doors also offer features that enhance convenience, such as smart locks, allow keyless entry and remote access. Built-in blinds, provide privacy and light control without the need for curtains. Energy-efficient glass panels, let in natural light while maintaining insulation. These functional upgrades can make your home stand out in the Dallas real estate market. Adds value with professional craftsmanship. While DIY door installation might seem like a cost-saving option, improper installation can lead to issues like air leaks, poor alignment, and reduced lifespan. Professional installation ensures precise measurements. The door fits perfectly within the frame. Proper seals. Prevents drafts, water infiltration, and pests. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers require professional installation to honor warranties. The craftsmanship of a professionally installed door adds value to your home and gives buyers confidence in the quality of your property. Increases home resale value. A new front door is one of the top home improvement projects for ROI, return on investment. According to remodeling studies, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their door replacement costs when selling their home. In Dallas, where buyers look for modern, energy-efficient, and secure homes, a professionally installed door can set your property apart from the competition. Whether it's a stylish front door, patio doors, or garage entry doors, these upgrades make a positive impression on potential buyers. Conclusion. For Dallas homeowners, professional door installation offers a wealth of benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and functionality, a new, properly installed door is a valuable investment in your home. If you're considering replacing your doors, working with a professional ensures that the installation is done correctly, maximizing the benefits and boosting your home's value. Contact a trusted door installation expert in Dallas today to explore your options and transform your home with a door that adds beauty, efficiency, and security. Your investment will pay off, whether you're staying put or planning to sell in the future.